Hello again guys, my name is Andrew and today we have a new unboxing. This is the Parkside Power Sounder model PPS 200A1. It cost only 20 euros from Lidl and it is 200 watt. Included accessories, we have two triangular sounding sheets and one rectangular sounding sheet and one dust extraction adapter. Okay, 3 years warranty from Lidl. 3 meters of cable inside. Some pictures here. Let's see what we have inside. Side, we're going to see some manuals. If you want to read, it's your choice. Sounder stage that we are going to install. The dust collector. Some nozzle to connect your vacuum cleaner if you want. It's your choice. But we are going to connect our filter now. Okay, very nice. And let's test it to see how it works. As we're going to install just like that, very easy, and we can install and that on off switch. And let's find a good to sand. Here we got this MDF painted. Let's try to take some of the paint out. As you see, it's doing a great job, and here very smooth, and here, and well, if you ask me, okay, yes, it's only 20 euros. You can do small jobs without tools. Definitely it will handle it. Small DIY jobs. It's not for a heavy duty professional job. Definitely for home users, it's great. Thumbs up, buy it, 20 euros. This is the end of the video and the end of testing this Parkside Power Sounder. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, don't forget it. Like or dislike my video is your choice, but hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Don't forget, I'm Andrew. I'm testing these tools that you don't have to go and buy it and say, oh, this is a crap. No. Just look my videos and you'll see if it's a crap or not. Share this video. You never know who may need it. Have a nice and great day. Bye bye.